All right, well, now we're going to multiply with scientific notation. So it says evaluate each product, express the results in both scientific notation and standard form. So I got 6.5 times 10 to the 12th power times 8.7 times 10 to the negative 15th power. So I got two expressions in scientific notation. And we're first going to express the results in scientific notation. Now, what I need to do, I'm first going to multiply 6.5 times 8.7, and then I'm going to turn around and multiply 10 to the 12th power times 10 to the negative 15th power, and then I suspect we're going to have to do a little adjustment even with that. But let's start here with, let's say I'm going to take 6.5, got my calculator, times 8.7, and that's 56.55. So let me write that. I'm going to say 56.55 times, because I'm still having moved this from scientific notation. And now I've got 10 to the 12th times 10 to the negative 15th. And we know when we multiply exponents, we subtract them or add them, or well, we add them actually, I should say. We add them, we subtract them when we divide. So I got 12 minus 15. And so initially I've got here 10 to the negative third power. But remember, I need to have my decimal after the first non-zero number, which means I'm moving that to the left one place. So therefore, when I write this in scientific notation, it's going to be 5.655 times 10 to the negative third, no, excuse me, to the negative second power, And then if we're going to write this in standard form, I'm going to move, since that's 10 to the negative 2, I'm going to move this decimal 2 places to the left. So then in standard form, it's going to be 0.05655. Okay, well, there we go. Now, this other one's got a different wrinkle to it. I got 7.8 times 10 to the negative 4th squared. Well, on my 7.8, we're going to break this into pieces and then consolidate it. So I got 7.8 squared, and that comes to 60.84. And then I've got the power of a power. Okay, well, when I got a power of a power, I multiply the exponent. So now this is going to be times 10. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. But once again, I'm going to have to move this decimal, let's say initially, to one place to the left. So let's initially write this then as 6.084 times, and I moved it to the left, so it's going to take one away, times 10 to the negative 7th power. Since I moved this from here to here, that's plus 1. All right, so plus 1 minus 8 gives me negative 7, 10 to the negative 7th power. And then to write that in standard form, now I've got to move this decimal 7 places to the left, which means I'm going to move it one place past the 6, and then I've got 6 zeros after that. So let's see, in standard form, it's going to be 0. And I got to have 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's my 6. We moved it 7 places. And then finish it out 0, 8, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 6. That's a really, really small number. Bizarre.